Most builders spend so much time on the design that they completely forget to look under the hood until it is too late. You launch your creation into the world and suddenly realize you are flying blind. You have no idea if people are actually using the features you spent weeks perfecting, or if they are getting stuck on the very first page. Usually, this is where you start the long, painful process of dragging in external tracking tools. You struggle with code snippets. You fight with permissions. It is a nightmare for anyone who just wants to create. This is where the specific AI app builder changes the game entirely. It does not just build your front end and back end from a simple text description. It also hands you the keys to a full analytics dashboard the moment you go live. You do not have to install anything extra. There is no messy setup. It just works. You get to see your unique user count right away. This is critical for knowing if you are actually growing, or just seeing the same few people over and over. You can track total usage to see if your audience is actually coming back for more. It even highlights your most active users. This kind of insight is gold when you are trying to find your biggest fans. The dashboard itself is remarkably clean. It feels intuitive, not like those bloated professional tools that require a degree to understand. You can filter by date. You can drill down into specific pages. And you can watch the charts change as your traffic flows in. One group of developers actually used these insights to save their entire project. They found that almost all their users were ignoring the main features and flocking to a simple list view. Because they had that data in real time, they were able to redesign the whole experience to match what people actually wanted. That is the real value here. It is about speed and clarity. You can spot errors as they happen. You can see exactly where the app starts to slow down before your users start complaining. Now, it is not all sunshine and rainbows. If you are a data scientist who needs deep conversion funnels or complex custom event tracking, you are going to feel limited. This is a streamlined tool for fast movers. It is built for small projects and initial launches. Once your database starts growing past 10,000 records, you might start to feel the walls closing in. The performance starts to dip, and you might finally need to look at those more expensive, more complicated professional platforms. But for getting off the ground, the value is undeniable. The pricing tiers are straightforward too. You can start for free, then move up to $20, 50, 100, or even 200 depending on how much power you need. It is about removing the friction between an idea and a working business. You get to focus on the vision while the system handles the boring technical tracking. It is a solid starting point for anyone tired of the traditional, slow way of building software. You get the data you need, exactly when you need it, without the headache of a manual setup. It is fast. It is honest. And for a lot of people, it is more than enough to turn a small idea into something real. There is no need to overcomplicate things in the beginning. Just build, launch, and let the numbers tell you the truth. Because the truth is the only thing that will help you grow.